Hello friends! So happy to welcome you back to my channel. Today I'll show you my favorite way to prepare a dish with lentils. Pour 150 grams of dry red lentils into a saucepan. Cover with fresh water. Add salt to taste and cook for 10 minutes. If you like, add a little butter. It makes the lentils tender and mellow in flavor. But this step is completely optional. Chop a red onion into small pieces. You can also use shallots or a regular white onion. Place the onion into a deep bowl. Chop the garlic. You will need about 5 cloves of garlic. Friends, we may not cross paths again, so please subscribe now and I'll always be right here when you need me. Add the garlic to the bowl with the onion. Peel 1 large carrot. Grate it on the medium holes of a box grater. Add the carrot to the bowl with the other vegetables. Peel 1 beet. Grate it on the medium holes of the grater as well. Add the beet to the other vegetables. Cut 1 lime in half. Squeeze out the juice. Add salt to taste. Add black pepper. Add a little smoked paprika. And a touch of cumin. Pour in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything well. Place the vegetables onto parchment paper. Spread them out evenly across the surface. Time to roast the vegetables in the air fryer. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook for 10 minutes. Take them out. They are beautifully roasted. Chop a bunch of parsley. If you like, replace parsley with any fresh herb you love. Place the parsley into a deep bowl. Add the roasted vegetables to the parsley. Now add the cooked lentils. Crack in 2 eggs. If you prefer, you can skip the eggs. It works nicely without them too. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix everything together well. friends, write in the comments and tell me which country you are watching from. I would love to know. Arrange the pink patties on the parchment paper. I hope you are enjoying this video. Subscribe to my channel and let's stay connected. Place the patties into the air fryer. Set to 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and air fry for 15 minutes. Remove and enjoy the beautiful result of your work. Give this video a like and share this simple, healthy recipe with your friends.